What up guys, AI is upon us, but do we really know what AI is better at than us humans? Let's find out. What up guys, this is Mark Denker here, and today we're talking about the top 5 things that AI can do better than humans. So at this point, it seems like AI is part of our everyday lives. The list of things that AI can do better than humans just seems to get longer and longer. But I wanted to focus on the top 5 ones. Delta published an article about this, and I'll make sure to link to it below. So let's dive in. Number 1. AI can do image recognition better than humans. With the sheer amount of data that we've uploaded on the internet, on various different databases, in general websites, YouTube like this, all these different platforms that we upload content to, it is only a matter of time before a sufficiently advanced machine learning algorithm could collect all this data, all this content, including images, and make sure that it was better and faster at recognizing different things and objects and all that stuff in a picture than humans could do. So today you have Google's algorithms, Facebook's image recognition algorithms, all these big tech companies that are really pushing the barriers to image recognition. And at this point, AI, or their algorithms at least, Google and Facebook, etc., they are much more advanced and much faster than any human can possibly recognize an object or different things in an image or a video. So image recognition, certainly something that AI has surpassed human capability in. Number 2, AI does personalization in real time much better than humans. So we all know when we visit Amazon, where you have the suggestion of what other people liked, or when you open up your newsfeed in Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media you use, whenever you search on Google, all these are personalizations that AIs are doing. This is not a human sitting behind the scene choosing whatever you should see as a search result when you Google something, or on Facebook when you open up Facebook. This is all driven by AI. And obviously these algorithms has been refined over the years, and at this point they are just much better and has surpassed any human capability by far. So that's number 2. AI does personalization in real time much better than humans. Number 3, and this is going to be something very difficult for people out there to reconcile with, but at this point AI is becoming better, or is better at driving cars. So with the sheer amount of miles that has been collected from companies like Tesla, but also other automakers, they've collected so many miles at this point that is going to surpass any human. If you were sitting in a car today, and let's say you spend your entire life driving from now until you die, you will not be able to drive more miles than the AIs that Tesla has built or other self-driving algorithms. All those miles that has been collected from these car manufacturers, they will far surpass. They are in the billions now, which no human will be able to do themselves, and hence the training material, the number of miles that an AI is able to crunch and learn from, has already far surpassed any human at this point. And therefore AIs and self-driving algorithms are at this point better at driving than any human. You see this, you can YouTube different Tesla videos or other self-driving videos where an algorithm kicks in to avert from an accident. This is super important. It really saves human lives, and this technology is only going to get better from now. Alright, so that was number 3. AI drives better than any human. Number 4, which is probably surprising to a lot of people, is that AI does VR, virtual reality, better than any human. So VR is really a simulation or game or whatever that a human designer or animator is doing in the background. But at this point, especially because it's digital content, and refer back to number 1 with image recognition, AI can now generate VR games and VR experiences better than any human designer or animator can do. This is going to be really interesting, because as we virtual reality, mixed reality, augmented reality, as that rolls out with different technologies and different devices like smart glasses, smart lenses, and all that, VR, AR, and MR, mixed reality, is only gonna get crazier from here. And if we can use AI to build better experiences, that's gonna be incredible, right? And the technology, so there's hope. The technology is already better. AI is already better than humans to create VR experiences. So that was number 4. And finally, number 5, which is super important at this point in time, where a global pandemic like COVID-19 is upon us. It's out there. It's probably not going to go away anytime soon. When I do this video now, there's not a cure to COVID-19. A lot of people is working on it. But number 5 is that AI does COVID-19 prevention better than humans. And this might surprise a lot of people out there, but there are scientists who are already using AI, artificial intelligence, to basically try to simulate new molecules that are capable of treating COVID-19. I'm just reading from the article, you can check it out yourself. They basically scan through different lung CT scans for signs of COVID-19 related issues like pneumonia, and AI is already aiding epidemiologists who track the disease's spread early on. So AI is helping in preventing the COVID-19 disease. It is helping in spotting it faster than any human could do or any other machine could do. And then, of course, we should mention what Apple and Google announced or published recently, where they will allow people to be able to see on their phone, on an iPhone or an Android phone, whether you have been close to somebody who has COVID-19. So again, using artificial intelligence, which Apple and Google in this case is using, you can quickly see, taking the different data points that Google and Apple has collected, you can very quickly see whether you've been close to someone, and therefore you should go to your doctor or whatever to take a test. So AI is really doing a lot of things already to prevent COVID-19. And this is not only going to be unique for COVID-19, this is going to be something that AI can do for pretty much any disease. But I wanted to highlight this as number 5 because it's very current, it's a very current issue, and AI is really helping out already. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this. If you like this, don't forget to smash the like button below or comment if there's something that you feel like I missed out. And until then, guys, I will see you for the next one.